What's up YouTube, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you the wheel with the derailleur. This is your bicycle before you clicked on this video, and this is after the video. So with that said, let's get started. Spanners. Disconnect the brake cable. Unfasten the two nuts on both sides that are holding the wheel. Move the derailleur all the way to the front. Lift your wheel from the chain. In doing so, that should remove your wheel easily. Then put the chain on top of the other chain to keep it straight. Move the derailleur all the way to the front. Set the wheel on the bottom chain. Put back the nuts to hold the wheel in place. Align your wheel so that it does not touch the frame when spinning. Start pedaling the bicycle and the wheel should spin. If this was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, turn on post notifications to never miss more content like this. Thanks for watching.